Hello everyone, VisualEyeCandy, reviews just for you. I got this Hcman mechanical keyboard off of Amazon.ca for a player to the winner. So it seems like a pretty legit keyboard. Yeah, it looked really good. I bought another keyboard for my boyfriend earlier last year, so I thought I would try this one out for myself. So yeah, this is the box it comes in. I have a Mac, so this will work probably pretty perfect with it. It actually says that it is compatible with Mac, Windows, and everything, so that's good. So yeah, so there's a little write-up on the back. Fashion suspension, keycap design, easy to clean, unique advanced Gemini plastic injection technology, clear backlit with durable keycap, a full alloy keyboard, which is very rare to get a keyboard that's an actual metal framed keyboard. Most of the time it's plastic, so that's a nice benefit there. Full sandblasting, classic and modern multi-mode backlit adjustment and customized backlit function makes it more colorful and attractive. Gaming grade core chip, N-key rollover, 60 million time mechanical switch life. Make sure a long time operation. 100 Hz polling rate, data. So yeah, it seems legit. It seems like a really good quality keyboard. So let's open it up. So at the back, it's actually, you get it, it's all sealed and everything. So that's pretty sweet there. That's good. So you at least know that they take great care in when they actually put their products together. So this is what you get when you open the box. I have actually never. This is what the mechanical keyboard looks like when it's lit up. It's quite nice. It's quite colorful, I like it. Looks really nice when it's darker and you're playing like video games, or if you're online. Hcman mechanical keyboard is on Amazon.ca, so you can check out their product, and the keys come right off, so you can change them up if you wanted in the future, or clean in behind your keyboard. So there's options that you can do: backlit recording, an LED mode. You can pick FN and then escape. So you go and you pick FN. FN. That. So you pick FN and escape. So yeah, you just basically go FN, you turn it right off, FN 5, you program pretty much any of the backlighting you want. So it's pretty cool, and it's pretty awesome. So then you just pick escape and FN to turn it off, and turn it back on. All the instructions are in the booklet, so yeah, like definitely check it out. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's not too too difficult to learn. It's pretty straightforward, so that's good. So that shows all the instructions there. Keyboard lock function, backlit recording. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Yeah, so that's that. So all the keyboard keys actually come back too, so you can change up the keypads. They have any new ones that they have available. Yeah, so that's the full bit there. So I'll just show you all the keyboard keys on that. It's pretty cool. Overall, I haven't had any issues with the keyboard. I've had it for a couple of days now. Yeah, it seems really like good quality. It's got a nice clicking sound to it. Yeah, it seems pretty nice to me. So that one is Hcman mechanical keyboard. Check out their website on Amazon.ca. They have other keyboards and other really cool equipment, well, supplies, I guess, more like mouses and keyboards you can check out. But yeah, it's pretty cool. They pack it up really nice too when you get it. You get it in the box. It comes to you. It doesn't take long for shipping. It's probably a couple of days, so pretty legit. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll leave the details and a link on where to purchase the keyboard. I did buy this with my own money. This was not given to me in exchange for my opinion or my review. I did need a new keyboard, so this one worked out perfect. But yeah, if you're interested in a new keyboard for gaming or just want a new keyboard in general, this one seems pretty legit. So yeah, thanks for watching my reviews just for you, my VisualEyeCandy. Till next time, thanks again for sharing, caring, and liking and subscribing. All right, bye.